Hi everybody. So in this video I'm going to try and show you how to upload or how to create a blog, make a blog on a website if you're interested. Now I work with WordPress, and there's a couple of reasons I work with WordPress. Well, bottom line is I like WordPress and I don't have to pay. There's a lot of features I lose because I don't pay, but I still get a lot of free stuff, and it's good for a year once you sign up. So now I'm going to be making a blog on my newest website. Okay, so now there's two ways we can do this. Okay, I can come down here, click on posts. If I click on posts, this drawer pops out, so I can go check out all my posts, add new posts, and check out categories and tags. But the easiest way to do it is to come up here and write post. Okay, now give this a minute to come up. I'm not sure why it takes so much time to load up with WordPress, but it does. It takes a couple minutes, but it's not a big deal. If you feel the content that you're putting out there is worth it to anybody. Okay, so now the first thing we need to do, or we need to start writing, and we need a title. Okay, now I have some things over on. I got a MeWe group. That's a private group, and that's where I put a lot of stuff. In other words, it's kind of like my office, if you will, where I do a lot of my work. So now we're going to go over to MeWe, and I've got some stuff over there ready to go. So here we are over on my private MeWe group, and when I say private, I mean private. Nobody, only MeWe, the platform can see this, and myself. So I've got something down here. Now this is going to be a simple blog. Okay, so I've got some stuff copied here already and pasted. Now this is from this video here. Okay, I did a little research this morning, so this is the video that I got this from, and I'm going to be putting that video in the blog. Okay, so give it a minute to come up here. My computer is old, so everything takes time to load up. It might be my internet service too, I don't know. I don't have a lot of stuff jammed up on my computer. I usually
thought that it was
offload stuff as quickly as I can. Okay, so the first thing I want to do here is I usually pause when I'm doing stuff like that. I'm going to switch sites, and I've got 4 or 5 sites here. That's my main one. Where is it right now? This one here, Truth Teller. I've been using that one for a year, but I'm going to go over to the new site. I just made a couple of days ago, and we've gone through these steps before, I do believe, about the 2 ways to make a blog. So I'm just going to go up and click on write. Okay. And we're being slow. I'll just pause it there for a minute. Okay, I'm off pause and back on. So now we need a title and we need some content. And a lot of people put sub-headers in and stuff like that, or I forget what that's called right now. But anyway, everything that I copied over there, I'm just going to paste it in right now. Okay. So there it is. Looks pretty good, eh? everything come out. Now the great thing about doing it this way, anything when you copy from a website, okay, any internal links, I believe they're called, I call them sublinks, but everything else shows up too. Okay, but I won't get into that right now. So now we need a title. Okay, so this is actually the title. So I'm just going to, hang on. Here, I'm just going to copy this, paste and copy, whatever. So there's the title now. Okay, so then I'm going to get rid of this. There's two ways I can get rid of this. I can, hang on a website, I can either just, I can click on cut, okay, or I can do it this way. As soon as I do that, this comes up, and I can come down, hang on. I always gotta, so there, and then I can remove the paragraph there, okay? Now, so I'm going to zoom back up here again now. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. Okay? So now what we need, okay, we need a cover. Okay? So I'm going to come down. Now we're going to talk about categories and tags after, okay? So I'm going to come on down. And, well, cover featured photo, so I'll click there. I've already, and then click on media library. Now you can go to Google Photos, there's free photos or whatever, but I don't go there. I just want to click on media library. Now, I've got a WordPress library. All the photos that I've uploaded over the last year are all in my WordPress library. But I'm not going to go there, okay? Because the photo that I want is not in my library. So I'm just going to click on Add New. Okay? And I always drag stuff over to my desktop. So now the photo, I drag it over, and let me see, where is it? Yeah. So when I download a photo, I always drag it over to my desktop, and so here's the photo that I want. Operation Mockingbird. Okay. Now, if you know, like, if you know anything about uploading photos and stuff like that, you can easily see what I did then. But anyway, so the photo's there. Now I'm going to insert it. And it's there. Now, when you're doing a blog, okay, right now I can save it as draft, okay. I could actually schedule it if I want to. I can preview it right now to see what it looks like, and then if I want to, I can schedule the photo to the blog to go out. But since I don't have any followers, okay, I'm just going to publish it. All right, because I don't have any followers. This blog is brand new, so nobody's going to see this. Okay, so I click publish. It always takes a while. So it's publishing. Now, there's two ways I can view the post. I can view it down at the bottom left corner, or I can click here. Okay? So let's go see what the post looks like. Now, I've got my website, I've got categories set up like here. Now, like for example, okay, this is the blog. Let's get to the blog first. So this is what it looks like. Now I didn't design this website. I used what's called a template, and everything is not template. Sorry, it's called a theme. So there's multiple themes that you can use to set up your blog. You got to go investigate. But I've worked with this one before. This is Ratcliffe 2, and these colors and stuff like that. I do all that. I can. It's called a customizer. So you can go and set up your blog how you want it to look. And I like the look of this. I like blue, so I set it up that way. So now, this is what the blog looks like. I forget where I was going now. Oh yeah, I want to talk about this up here. So I've got all my categories, and this is on top of every post. Here, I've got my social media accounts. Okay, I'm not done here yet because I just started setting this up. So this is my Rumble channel. You click there, you can go over to my Rumble channel. Click there, you go over to my BitTube channel, and so on. YouTube, Facebook, Gab, Getter, MeWe, LinkedIn. These are the main platforms that I use right now. So, and when I set up the category for this this blog, I will choose which category I'm going to put it in. So these are the categories that I have right now, and I don't have one set up. I might actually put one. Let's see here. So anyway, that's what the blog looks like right now. Now there's some more stuff I want to add to this, okay, or add to this. So we're going to go there right now. Oh, by the way, you come at the bottom, you can see this is on categorized right now. So I'm going to have to find a category for that. Okay, so just give me a minute now. I'm going to go over and I'm going to get some more stuff to add to this blog. So I'm back over on the group again. Now I'm going to go get the video. Go get the video that I want to put in the blog. And here it is right here. Okay. So I'm going to click on YouTube. Give it a minute to come up.
I thought that it was a matter of real concern.
Okay, so now I want to copy the link to this YouTube video, okay? So I'm just going to click share, right? These things are slower today. And then I'm going to click on copy. So now I got that, so let's head back over to the blog. Alright, so there's the blog. Now I'm going to go over and there's a couple ways to do this too, by the way. I'm just going to go and click here on these, and then I'm going to click edit. Okay. So now I have to decide. Now what I'm doing right now is called embedding. Okay. So where do I put this video? Do I put it up top? All right. I'm just going to put it right at the bottom. This is not really long. So here you see this little black box. So I'm going to add a block. Now this is set up. Okay, if I click YouTube, okay, it'll probably work if I just paste the link in there right now. But I always go here, and then I paste the URL in here. Okay. So and then I click on embed. It's there. So now I click on update. And let's see what post looks like. So let's take a look at the post. It's there. See? Now, the video is right there. Now, there's something I want to add to this. Okay, so I'm going to go back over to the blog. All right. Or I'm sorry, I'm going to go back over to the MeWe group. Now, right here, I want to put this in the blog as well, except I'm not going to put the whole thing in. I'm just going to do something real special here, and I'll show you what I mean. So that I've already copied the link to this. I'll just show you just for a sec. Just hang on. Now, this is another interesting. Okay, this is another one that I found. Okay, that's actually where I got this picture. But I'm not going to copy all this because that's a bit of work right now. Okay. So I'm just going to go back over to MeWe again, and here. Show you what I'm going to do here now. And so this is the title of that blog, and here's the link. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this right now. And then head back over to the blog. Okay, so I'm over on the blog again, and you can't see it right now, but okay, I'm just going to come down to the bottom. I'm going to hit edit right here. So here we are. So I'm going to add what I just copied. I'm going to just wait for this YouTube video to come up. So I'm going to click on, the plus sign again. So I'm just going to click on paragraph. Okay, now I could put an image in there if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that right now. Okay. So what I just copied over there, I'm going to put that in over here right now, okay? Now, you see this here? I'm going to move this over to the center, okay? You see this? So I'm going to click here, align from center, okay? Now if I wanted to, I could actually, some nice little things there. I can change the color of the text, okay? And yeah, it probably will. So I'm going to change it to white. Now I'm going to add a background, and I can put a whole different bunch of colors in there if I want to. Okay. Now it takes a while to learn all this. Okay. So I'm going to stick with that one. Okay. So now you think that looks cool? Now, this link here, I want to hide that. I'm going to change this over, by the way, because I'm going to remove this block right now, okay? Because there's something I want to do here, okay? So hang on a second now. I'm going to start this over. Do paragraph again. Okay, so I am going to move this over, okay? This one right here. I'm going to move it over. Align from center. But show you what I'm going to do here now. I'm going to do an highlight on this. Okay, now that link, I'm going to to copy this link here, right? Copy it. It's been a while since I've done this. So I want to go back up here again now. I'm going to highlight. Okay, and here, see what it looks like? Paperclip, I always call them. I'm going to add this link that I just copied. Okay? Now, that link is there. Okay? But it's going to be hidden in behind those words. So I just click here. Now, you see the words change color? Now, I've got to get rid of this. For about 6. Okay. Alright, so let's see what happens. I'm going to publish that now. So let's go check out the post. Now, okay, you'll notice these words are black. But, now you see these ones? They're red. So what's happening here? Now, anybody that knows websites, that's used to reading websites and stuff like that, so they will know that there's something behind here. On some websites, they just have, you might see a line at the bottom. So I'm going to click there now. And it's going to the website. See? Isn't that cool? Alright, so back over here again now, and I need to edit. So you can't see my other option to edit right now, so I'm just going to go down to the bottom again, because we need to add some tags now. Okay, so I'm just going to click on edit here. And give it a minute to come up. So now I need to add a category. Okay? So right now it's uncategorized. Now I've got these categories all set up already, and I should have put one in there. I'm just going to, actually I'll add a new category. I'm just going to go to deep state. Let's see if that works. So I'll put a new category in. Oh, shit. And then I'll just press enter. And I should, there we go. So now I've got a new category. And let's go find it. See, it's there already. Now, I'm not sure if that'll be displayed on my front page. I'll probably have to go in and do some more editing to get that straightened out. Customizing, I should say. So now we need tags. Okay? So I'm just going to... You make up tags as you go. So, and then next time I want that tag, it'll show up around here. So And let's see, I'm going to put in, I'll go up and I'll put in Mockingbird too. I'll just copy this up here. Oh shit. Ah! Yeah, I'll do it down here. Can I get this to work? Damn it. There. I don't know why I'm not getting this to work today. So I'm just going to paste this over here and hit enter. Okay. Now okay, so I'm just gonna, that's all the tags I'm going to use in this one for now, but it leaves, like, you can add as many tags in as you want. Now the idea of putting in tags is it lets WordPress know who to put your website in front of. In other words, they will put it in front of an audience that's interested in this topic. Okay, so that's all I'm adding in there for now. I'll just put 2 tags in there, and I'm going to update again. Okay, and I'll click on View Post here, and we're done. Now, see what I was saying about my category? That I think I just used the deep state. I have to go in and customize in order to get this to stick up here right now, okay? But I'll do that later. So that's the blog. And it's all published up. And pretty cool as far as I'm concerned. And we got this additional information in here, so I'm going to put a like on it. Now, the great thing about these buttons, okay, you can, I actually have to do some more work on this. I can put in a button for Telegram, Twitter. I just haven't gotten around to doing that yet. And I can press this, that means I can put it over to another one of my websites if I want to. I often do that. I'll go in on somebody's website and I like their post, so I press it over to mine, and I'm not stealing anything. Full credit goes to them. Their website actually shows up on mine, so that's pretty cool. So anyway, long video, and if you're interested in get started on blogging, let me know in the comments of this video, okay? And I am out for now.